Hello everyone, welcome to our fifth video of our GoLang tutorials. In the fourth video, we have discussed about regarding the constant. If you haven't watched these things, please look into that one. Then you will can get a real understanding about what these are and how to create a constant variable in GoLang, right? Okay, today's topic was that regarding the for loop. For is goes only loop in construct. That's the only way that we can write the loops. I will demo you some basic example of for loops in this tutorial. I will hope to explain you regarding all the things that you want to know regarding the for loop, right? Okay, first I will create a variable called I, right? In simple way I will create that one, right? Like this one. Okay, if I create a variable I, if I didn't use that one, it will say unused variable, right? In the Go we can't create unused variable, right? We already know this one in our variable lecture, right? Okay, if you want to write a for loop, simple, there is a keyword called for, right? For, then we can type the condition here, right? I will type a condition like this, I less than or equal 4, right? After that I will put the brackets, right? Then I am printing this fmt.println I. What happened here if I run in this way? I will run this one. It run repeatedly, right? In here you can see it will run repeatedly, because what's the reason for that? It will first check the I, whether I less than or equal 4. Yes, it is true, then it will print the I, right? And then again check the I less than or equal 4. Yes, it is true. Now it's print the I, right? Repeatedly it will print that one, right? If you want to stop this one, if you want to type Control C, or if you are running that one in the terminal, otherwise in here, now you can see it has there's some red button there, right? If you are clicking this one also, you can stop the this repeated loop, right? This is actually infinite loop, right? Now when I am typing the Control C, it says that process finish is the exit code, right? Now if I want to increase the I value, simply I can put I equal I plus 1, or I can just put like in this way, right? Using the assignment operator, right? I will run this one. Now here you can see the output of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? it will first check the I less than equal 4. Yes, because I is 1. Now it print the I value, then I increase by 1, and then it will again come I with 2, right? Then it will check 2 less than or equal 4. Likewise it will print until 4, right? Okay. This is a simple way that we can create the for loop, right? There are another ways as well, right? I will demo that one as well. I will just remove this for loop. Now you have idea, right? Another way is that we type the for, right? Then we can create the variable, right? Here I equals 5, right? After semicolon I will put the condition here, right? I less than or equal 10, right? After that again semicolon, then I plus plus, right? This is another way that we can write the for loops, right? Like in C, right? Now I will put empty.println, right? Now running this one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? But here first initialize the I as 5 and then check the 5 less than or equal 10. That's true. Then it will print the I value. After that it will increase the I by 1, and then it will again check the 6 less than or equal 10, and then it print the 6, and then again it will increase the I by 1. Likewise it will run, right? Just simple one. There is another way that we can create the loop, right? Like this. Without a condition we can write the for loop, right? In here, if I write a for loop in this way, right? I will run this one and demo how that can happen. This is a infinite loop because there is no any condition there, right? There is a infinite loop. It will repeatedly print in the dummy views, right? If you want to stop this one, we can simply I will type now pressing this red button, this one no, this one, right? Then we can stop the project, right? It is repeatedly printing this, okay? After printing the dummy views, if we want to break this loop, we can simply type break, right? Then it will print the dummy views only once, and then it will break, right? I will demo that one as well. In here you can see it will print the dummy views once, right? And then it will break the loop, right? There is no any continuous thing in this loop, right? Okay, the break is very important thing when we are using the for loops, right? Okay, now I want to explain you regarding that continue thing, right? I will explain continue thing as well, right? I am writing the loop, right? For I assign as 1, and then I less than or equal to 10 I plus plus. Then I will check if I modulus by 2 equals 0, then I will print the empty.println, right? what is this? What did this for loop? In here, first take the I less than or 10. Yes, that's true. Then check the I divide I modulus by 2 equals 0, right? Yeah, if that is true, then it will print the I value. Then what are the numbers that you have written here? Even numbers, right? I will run this one in here. It will print the 1 to 10 even numbers, right? We can, if we want to print odd numbers, how we can do that? We can simply put this one here, right? Not equals 0, right? Then it will print the odd numbers, right? This is one way, right? Using this one, we can print odd numbers as well, like in this way, right? fmt.println I. But in here, if I modulus by 2 equals 0, I am continuing. Continuing means after this line there is no any execution happened, right? It goes to this for loop. In this line was not executed here, right? What happened here? I equals 1, then it will check the I1 modulus by 2 equals 0. No, then it will not go to the if condition, then it will go to this statement and print the I, right? It will print I and then again go to the for, then it will now I is 2 less than or equal to, that is true, and then it will divide it 2 by 2, right? Then the value was that modulus value was at 0. Now it goes to the if condition and then it will execute this continue one. If we execute this continue one, below lines are not executed here, right? Within this context, right? If I have put this kind of thing, fmt.println dummy views outside of this for loop, right? It will execute, right? It's not related to the for loop, no, right? After that it will execute, but inside the for loop, after the continue thing, this line is not executed, right? Then it will again print the odd numbers, right? Okay, hope you have gotten clear understanding about the loops related things, right? Please, I always say that please practicing on those things, right? Then you can master with the Go related things, right? Hope you have learned new things regarding the Go related things. If you have learned new things, please subscribe to the channel and please share this is your friends, and then we will next meet with our another tutorial. Then we will conclude this 5th tutorial. Keep in touch. Bye. Thank you.